To set default app to open.mpeg files in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click on Tab Apps. Select Default Apps, and then scroll down the screen. Find Films and TV. Next, tap Films and TV, and then scroll down the screen. Find .mpeg. Next, start .mpeg default app, and then select default app you want to set. Select app you want to set as default to open .mpeg files. For example, Media Player Classic, and then tap OK. Now Media Player Classic set as default app to open .mpeg files. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.